Hey there! Welcome to today's video where we tackle a common problem that many developers face when using Doxygen. The problem at hand is related to documenting static constexpr definitions within namespaces, where only constexpr values that are not static are being transferred to the documentation. Frustrating, right? Now, let's delve into the solution. To ensure that Doxygen includes static constexpr definitions in your documentation, you simply need to add extract_static equals yes to your doxa file. This small addition will make sure that your static constexpr values within namespaces are properly documented. It's a simple fix but makes a world of difference in your documentation process. In summary, we've addressed the issue of static constexpr values not being included in your Doxygen documentation. By adding extract_static equals yes to your doxa file, you can effortlessly document these values within namespaces. Remember, it's the little tweaks that can streamline your documentation process. Well, that's all for today's video. I hope you found this solution helpful and informative. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, like the video, and drop a comment below. Thanks for watching, and happy coding!